Today, we'll be sharing a project overview from the University of British Columbia Exchange Residence and TransLink Mixed-Use Project as part of our virtual construction to digital twin solution offering. With every digital twin for construction, we are first and foremost identifying potential constructability risks to reduce the risk of schedule delays and sellback time to the project, while also generating direct-to-fabrication outputs whenever relevant. In addition to the standard outcomes of our digital twin services, in this video, we'll be sharing some of the auxiliary construction site use cases where we leverage the existing digital twin to add further value to our customer and our project collaborators. We begin with the continuously developing campus digital twin of the projects we've worked on at the University of British Columbia in Vancouver. UBC Exchange is a partnership project between UBC and TransLink, which features an ACT-grade bus loop terminal with gauge residences above. There are 4 mid-rise student towers atop a transit bus loop podium located to the east of the Aquatic Center at the central hub of the campus. In this project, we incorporated all disciplines of architecture, structure, MEPF, and civil to build a fully integrated model. Since we had existing civil lines from the adjacent Aquatic Center site, we were able to validate as-built locations of service connections. Due to the large footprint of the development, it requires 4 tower cranes to service the entire site. We aided the construction team to verify and validate crane placement for constructability. Extensive coordination with the architect and facade fabricator were also incorporated on this project. Specifically on this project, we aided in the coordination of the concrete slab edge, concrete curbs, rough openings of the windows, and the brick exterior throughout the project. Following CADmaker's detailed design for manufacturing and assembly methodologies proved particularly helpful coordinating corner interfaces where the brick and windows meet, and ensuring there was a 4-inch clearance behind the windows for installation. One of the main challenges of this project was the coordination of the horizontal in-slab ductwork and vertical plumbing risers throughout the tightly packed units in the tower. From the initial layouts provided by the design team and integrating the detailed stud wall buildup, we were able to coordinate and optimize with the trades the typical suite layouts to eliminate construction coordination issues while also improving consistency by reducing offsets and overall time required to install. After optimizing layouts and resolving issues, we produced slab edge, in-slab duct layout, and canning drawings for concrete detailing, sheet metal, and plumbing contractors. To maximize efficiency, we also produced inputs for the total station for canning layout. Zooming into one of the micro-suite units, we conducted a side project where the owner wanted to leverage the construction model to perform virtual reality walkthroughs with various project stakeholders to visualize the functionality of the layout. We built an interactive walkthrough environment in Unreal Engine using a Datasmith model conversion process with added rendering textures. Moving into the unique integration of a bus loop at the ground level, another risk was identified due to the associated column spacing and clearance. As a value add coming from the digital twin process, using rules-based scripting, we created a kinematic bus turn radius simulation to validate that the buses could appropriately turn into the terminal with the required minimum spacing. Lastly, we didn't stop at the building, but also incorporated the contextual components of the bus loop, like the mass timber bus shelters, to give feedback on the fabrication shop drawings. Thank you to UBC Properties Trust, Dialogue Design, Heather Bray Builders, and all the subcontractors involved for another successful collaboration. Leave us a comment to tell us what your favorite use case was, or if there's something that we missed that we should incorporate on the next project. This has been Ryan from CADmakers. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.